Hey, welcome to my channel, Boating with Drifter. Anyway, I'm still down in Florida, down in Lorida. I'm at Hidden Acres Estates, as you can see the sign behind me. And that's our clubhouse back there. We call it the porch. But anyway, we're on beautiful Kissimmee River, and I'm about a week from going back to Michigan and getting the real drifter ready, the 340 Sundancer. So we'll be taking the cover off within the next coming weeks. This is about my last week in Florida. So anyway, we're going to go on a pontoon boat ride. Not too much talking, mostly cruising. We're going to cruise down the Kissimmee River, and I'll show you a map of that. Anyway, I'll be accompanied by my parents, my mom Bernadette, and Wayne Dawson. They'll be going with us. We're going for a nice little boat ride. This marina is just on the edge of our park. So actually, my house, my Florida house, is just right down the street from us. So should be a good time, should be fun. Like I said, won't be too much talking. We should see a few alligators if all goes well. And whoop, there goes my hat. It's a little windy today, but I think it'll be okay for the pontoon boat. I got the drone with me, but with the wind, I don't know if we'll get that up or not. Get some aerial views. So stay tuned.
Don't forget to get on, Ian.
All aboard.
Here, I can take it.
Push it back.
I can get it from there.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, I've done my job. Cast off.
Yeah, if you wanted to do some explaining, that's a good place
I'll get the other camera ready. That's all right.
Here we go. We're heading out of the marina right now. I just pulled out of my dock space.
Getting the other video photography ready, so that's Mr. Wayne talking there. He's the captain of the boat today.
Going out. Coming back in, it'll be Ian.
You're going down the pretty river first.
Yeah. We're going to be on a real wild trip today. You guys are going to love it.
We're going to see some alligators. We'll be looking for some alligators today. And I got my shades on, keep the sun out of the face. So this is our probably our final voyage with the pontoon boat for the season, and we're all like packing up and getting ready to head north back to Michigan real soon. I got a battery, I left it on. What's that, Mom?
Our first. I am Ian's mother, Captain Wayne's wife. We're on the pontoon going down the pretty river.
Say your name.
This is the first leg of our journey. My name is Bernadette. A lot of people call me Bernie. So we're going to see a lot of alligators and a lot of real pretty birds. Beautiful day. The high predicted today is 92. We have our sunscreen aboard, our suntan lotion,
And a couple of cold beers.
And we have some beers, yeah? Cervezas. Anyway, if you don't recognize this woman, if you watch my past video of Put in Bay Storm, this is the lady that was sitting on the captain's chair on the dock, seasick through the storm on the boat. So anyway, you'll see her in the Put in Bay Storm video.
Boy, that could feel good with you guys just sitting.
Yeah, if we went 70 miles down this river, we would come out at Lake Kissimmee, or Kissimmee. But we're not going 70 miles today. We might go about 15 or 20 though.
right now.
I hope you're enjoying your trip down the Kissimmee River. We're going into another branch of this river. That's where the big gators grow. Once again, it's a beautiful day on the river today. Sunshine and about 90 degrees right now.
I got him on this here one too. He's on this.
What's that on the shore that's nearby?
Could you zoom in on any of these things on this one right here? When you're editing this, is it possible to do any zooming?
No, I don't think so.
That is big. That was big. Yeah, he was every bit of probably 15 to 17 feet.
Little gator right there.
Sitting on the log. He's lifted his head, acknowledging the fact we're here. He said, "Don't make me go in the water, I'm comfortable."
He's sunning himself. He's probably only maybe about 2.5 feet. A little guy.
That's his log. Most every time we come by here, he's there. Got the stripes on his tail.
Bigger gators are easier to scare than the smaller ones, I seems.
Yeah.
Get up a little close to the smaller ones.
go. We're back from our adventure, heading down the little canal that's going to take us back into our
Marina.
Hidden Acres Estates.
what?
Hidden Acres Estates Canal.
Yeah, Hidden Acres Estate.
We hope you enjoyed your trip down the river with us. Beautiful southern and central Florida on the Kissimmee River.
If I could probably drop the fenders down in a second, I'd get ready for that.
Where are we? Can you get out?
He said to drop the fenders.
You can't get out that way.
Somebody's sitting on the dock down there. Looks like Brenda fishing.
Which side?
Well, the fenders are fixed on this side. You can drop them now.
Grab the one on the back.
Sorry.
You could probably pull right in there and just hold on to one of the pipes while I get the bow.
Can't see Mom.
Go ahead and take this and grab it.
Hang on, I'll stop the boat.